So before anything, before selling anywhere like on eBay, whatnot, whatever, get yourself a red book. So it will tell you everything you want to know, varieties, nickels, dimes, just about anything. So let's skip to the two I'm giving you an example for, and that is $50. And let's go back here. It has everything from mintage to cost and grade. So we're going to go through that. I have two here. This is a Barber $50, 1901. So let's go up to here. 1901 Philadelphia, 4.2 million minted. Good condition, $23 minimum. So BG8, very good, fine, 60. So right here, this one, it could fall in the G to VG range. So let's shoot for about $30 for this one. So, and it's always good to do research everything you're trying to sell. So you got a 1912S. It's got the S mint mark back here. Let's look for that 1912. And we have a 1912S here. It's a lower mintage, 1.3 million. 23 good condition, very good 28, 55 extra fine. So now we have our examples done. Let's get started. All right, so we're in our app. If you haven't already signed up, do so. All you have to do if you want to start selling, hit that sell button. I already have an account, so let's get started. It's going to give you all the rules and regulations. Always press agree. Make sure to read it just in case. And it's going to ask what you're going to sell. So we are going to look for coins. Usually there's a little coins and money right here. Here we go, right in the middle. That is likely what we're most likely going to sell. So let's go to that. You select your subcategory. Coins and bullion. Now you can also hit paper money, but we are, just for the sake of this, hitting coins and bullion. You can choose one of these two options. Best describes you. I'm just starting, or I'm actively selling online or in person. So this, for the sake of this, we're doing I'm just starting. All right, and right now we're at the tutorial. It's always a good idea to sit down and actually listen to this. It actually gives some helpful hints, so I suggest you do that. And we're going to go on to the next thing. All right, now that you've completed the tutorial, there's a few things you need to do first. In this tab, it's not on mine because I already did it. It's going to have you verify your ID. It's going to scan your ID, so have that ready, just to make sure who you are is who you say you are. And then what you're going to do, if you want to start receiving payments, or payouts, I should say. So we're going to hit the payout button. And then at the bottom, it's going to add your payout account. And it's going to go through another link and just follow the prompts. It's pretty simple. So let's go back. And also has settings like shipping. You can choose your shipping costs. Buyer pays all the shipping, and buyer pays a set amount, or the seller pays all the costs. It's however you want to set it up. So let's go back. You choose your domestic shipments, all USPS. So choose which one fits best for you, or you can even do free pickup. So, and all in all, that's pretty much what you need to set up. They even do, when you first start, they even do a little congratulations on being set up here. You can double your first cash up to $150, where, you know, follow what they say here. Go live for 2 hours, sell to 5 people, and they'll match your earnings up to $150. So that's a pretty good incentive to start selling. So all in all, that is pretty much what you need to get started. Just make sure that, you know, do your research on what you're selling. So you don't want to undersell or anything else. lastly, I highly recommend you doing the rehearsal mode option. It's going to give you a walkthrough on how to start selling, whether you want to do sudden death, where there's a 10, 15, 20-minute countdown, and that doesn't stop. So however many people are swiping, it could work well into your advantage or not. So there's a lot of different selling options, or you can go to the traditional route, and every time someone swipes, it increases the countdown a little bit so more people can start swiping and bidding. But it's completely up to you. I highly recommend doing rehearsal mode. It's going to give you a walkthrough of everything. So that's all being said. I'm glad you stopped by and listened to my little tutorial.